Chaos. Yeah. Buddy of mine's got a pretty sweet Chaos army that he's still working on. I don't know if he ever finished it, but he just moved, so I don't know if he's gonna continue to work on it or not. I got a couple pieces of a really. Like, do they? You know much more than I have. Do they have rules set up for like custom units and stuff? Like more so than just vehicles? Ah. Have you thought about getting back into it? Yeah, that's how I am now. Like, I like doing the custom stuff. Love it, love it, love it. Believe it or not, I actually use them more for D&D minis than anything else. Fucking Tyranids. Yeah, that's very true. 60 bucks, 60 bucks a book is a little much. We're gonna leave him with the crazy tacky wings upward like that. I'll do something else with him later. His wings are offset, but whatever. Yeah. My buddy who had the Chaos army did a that's right, fuck that guy, fix him later. Did a Chaos Marine that was painted like Spawn. It's pretty fucking dope. I did want to get an army and just mix it of everything, because I got a Tau. The first set I actually got was a Tau unit that I got and that somebody else had painted already, and they were done like stormtroopers, and I had gotten a weird kick to do a Star Wars themed army. But thanks for coming and hanging out, man. I'm gonna try and make this much more often, whether it's minis, Gunpla, or games. If you enjoyed yourself, fucking throw me a follow, and we'll chit chat next time. Yeah, tower awesome. They visually are super cool. Yeah, them robots. I thought about trying to take one of their guys and like mix it with a dreadnought. Seeing what I could do with that. Okay. Cool. Well, thanks for coming and hanging out, man. I enjoyed our little chit chat there. And you have a good night. I gotta let that wing dry. I want to do a little bit more to him. I think I figured out how I'm gonna put those wings on him. This one here, I still need to figure out how I'm gonna get this in there without it looking super stupid. Actually, I'm going to change music too. We're going to jump to let's go to Starbomb.
Hello everyone, I am Gaurd, and welcome to the first album of Starbomb. A wholly amazing new band I've created with these guys, Ninja Sex Party.
There we go.
Hello, my name is Danny Sexbag. I'm the lead singer of Ninja Sex Party. That band he was just talking about. And this here is Ninja Brian. Say hi, Ninja Brian.
There we go.
Fantastic. Now, before we begin annihilating your fucking soul with tasty-ass jams, we'd like to say that we don't own the rights to the characters that we parody on this album. Like, Zelda, or Mario, or the Metroid girl. Samus, that's her. But it is parody, which means, according to the exact text of the law, the fair use of a copyrighted work,
Here, I'll just drag glue off here for a second while I wait for that stuff to dry up a little bit. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this guy.
for purposes such as shit like criticism, comment, teaching, scholarship, or research. It's not a goddamn infringement of copyright. I guess what we're saying, Nintendo, we love you. Thanks for not suing us. Now let's commence the rock!
I don't.
Yeah! Eagle rapping in the sex party! Gotta catch 'em all! Smell my ball! Yo, what up, bitch? I'ma tell you
Don't even know how I'm gonna do that.
Beat the Elite Four, won the tournament war, but he just couldn't get the same rush as before. Fat and depressed, his life had gone south, so he turned to Pikachu and then he punched him in the mouth. He felt so alive, he felt so real. He beat all his Pokemon with his fist of red steel. He got arrested for domestic violence. It was a crazy motherfucking cat turn of events. He said that Pikachu's bruises happened on the stairs when he fell. The cops like grand bullshit and threw that bitch in a cell. Rock on, this is a fucked up tale of Pokemon gone wrong, gone wrong. That's right.
I don't know. This gotta be a work in progress. I might even just try and work this wing off.
Ash was in trouble as soon as he arrived. He Magna might not make it out of prison alive. His lawyer ran in with a big state trooper bringing fiery news like Charmander and Cooper. It's your lucky day, Pete, you posted your bail, so Ash found his little
Let's try and figure out how to get the wing off there.
mentally snapped. Ash was Chandelure into his deadly trap. Pika pulled out a gun and then he said with the cry,
He's a work in progress.
"Bro, I choose you to die." Don't do it, yelled Ash. You know I got your back, but Pika pulled the trigger, shot him twice in the sack. Holy fuck, I don't know if you've been shot in the nuts.
Spoiler, it sucks.
And oh, swear to gotta catch 'em all, but they might just ruin your balls. And poor mistake,
Pokemon. Princess Peach, won't you listen to my speech? Don't have any stars of invincibility. Show the bright star in the sky tonight for me. I am your Luigi.
What up, bitch? I got a what up, bitch? What's inside the question block?
It's my dick.
It's a me, a Mario, I'm more Italian than pastrami. I'll take you by the peaches and give you the hot salami. I save you from dragons and evil blues that are spooky. Must not be a raccoon to get inside your tanuki. I will melt you like Yoshi and show you things you've never seen. My muscles now mega if you know what I mean. So sorry. Mario, let's do this shit. I like a girl and you ruin it by getting stuff back. Take them till they go away. Hey Luigi, it's okay that Mario's a bit risky. Tell me what you need to say. Don't be afraid.
Oh, Princess. It means so much for me to hear you say that. The only thing I've ever wanted to tell you is that, God damn it, I'm
With a pleasure that I asked, I'd like to go first, Princess, but I always come last. Oh, Mario. I'm the only drop on. Alright. Let's try to smooth some of this crap out here.
OMG, I can't decide on which of you should be the guy to take me on a mustache ride that I'll redefine my life.
Remember, a lot of this is going to get painted over, so I'm not worried about it looking super, super perfect. Just perfect enough.
So, who's it gonna be, Princess?
I choose
So,
Toad?
well, his whole body's shaped like a dick.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
Yeah, definitely.
alright, so get that smoothed out quite a bit here. Still glue on the top piece here, but
Hold on a minute, Link.
what's up, old man?
I see that you're embarking on another epic quest. You're gonna use
Your
your
ocarina to rescue the princess.
but you'll need a magic weapon that'll never ever miss.
It's dangerous to go alone. Take this.
Thanks, old man. That is really very nice. I can always count on you for help and friendly advice. Though I've never seen a sword.
Quite the shape of size. Oh god, that's not a sword, it's your dick in disguise. I have painted my swing, so proud of your destiny. If you know what I mean, wait a minute, they told me the key. You think you're going? Sorry, I really like the song, so you catch me singing along a little bit here and there. In the meantime, let's put some of the shading down here.
I'm at the corner of Deadcott and Prostitute Junction. Something in my ocarina must have gone and malfunctioned. I gotta fix it quickly, there is justice to do.
Hold on a minute, Link.
Oh man, is that you?
This is a place you can't survive with just a sword in your wrist. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this.
Well, that's really kinda dumb that you wrinkle dick again. Look, I know I'm wearing tunic, but I'm not into men.
Hey there, Bumpy. How you doing? Clean the glue off of this blade later.
Oh my god! I gotta warp out of here, Princess Zelda. Waits, I must defeat Gaurd
And
before
not
it gets
cut
too
my
late.
finger open.
Okay, now I really know where I am.
Hold on a minute, Link.
God damn it, old man.
You're in Raccoon City. It's a zombie abyss.
It's dangerous to go alone. Take this.
Fuck you! Fuck you! I'm not giving you a... I'm touching your wit... Stop the chilled out groove! Jeez! Come in here telling me you got a wee-wee
So I'm
weapon.
thinking about
Not
doing
cool, I'm not gonna
this.
touch it, I'm not gonna...
You're grounded. Why are you grounded?
So was that a no on the hand job, or? Okay. Hello, Mega Man und Mrs. Mega Man. Welcome to Couples Therapy. I'm Dr. Wiley.
Dr. Wiley, you're a therapist now, but you're evil and bent on world domination.
Not anymore. Those days are behind me. Don't question it. Shut up. Just tell me the problem over this hot beat.
Okay. Well, you see, Doc, I got a pretty nice life. I make a house with 2 kids and a hot mega wife. But I got a little problem with my android bride. When it comes to making love, she's never satisfied.
We've been fucking for decades. Sex has gotten routine. We gotta spice that shit up. I'm not a total machine. I'm sick of all the romance and the cuddles and the love. It's time to get dirty and do all the weird stuff.
What are you playing your 360?
But she says the same thing like a tape recorder.
Quiet, the doctor is talking. There must be order. Sorry, I'm not evil anymore.
She's getting drilled.
Is that what you want, hun? A robot master?
Get out and do it, you stupid bastard.
Wha-
Marriage will be heavy like pure
Well, that's
spring
not
water.
good.
Leave my office before you are slaughtered.
Fine, I'll kick ass if it saves my marriage for the satisfaction of my lady's undercarriage. First I'll take a fireman, not much of a test. Oh, your weakness is ice? I would've never fucking guessed. Now, Iceman is here, this shouldn't take up too much time. Oh, is your weakness fire? You just blew my fucking mind.
Sorry, I know you guys can't really see what I'm doing. I'm trying to see if I would like that better. Like so. Where it curls up, or like so, where it curls down.
Super double ultra mega nutbuster come blast.
Like down.
Wait, what are you doing?
Mega Dick, activate!
So Mega Man harnessed all the powers of the Masters and killed Zero with his Mega Laser Schlong Blaster. And then he banged his wife until she screamed. Then she loves him again, cause she's a shadow whore! Sorry, that was misogynistic. She is a whore, though.
What did you say?
Nothing. Douche.
Hey, Ken.
What's up, Ryu?
You know I think you're a fucking dick, right?
Yeah?
Well, I think we should settle this shit once and for all with a rap battle to the death.
Okay.
Do you think you can stop eating penis long enough to do that?
Probably.
Alright, let's do this! Round 1. Rap. Fuck you! Ken, you're such a little fucking bitch. I'm gonna break your fucking spine in half and throw you in a ditch. Start up the fucking beat and drop the motherfucking bass so I can shoot a load of Hadouken all over your face. I'll break your glass jaw like it was made of fucking straw, man. Shredding you up worse than Vega Beckham with his claw hand. Cammy and Jaleel don't think you're sexy at all. They're both coming home with me, one for each of my balls. Like a bonus round, car your ass is getting destroyed. My cock is more swollen than Zangief's thyroid. Your dick's 3 inches hard, I'm working with a soft 10. So what you gotta motherfucking say to me, Ken?
I really don't appreciate those things that you just said. I was raised to respect others, and sometimes words can be hurtful, and I just think that maybe
Well, that's no
yo,
good
an
on both
apology
ends.
is in order.
Round 2. Rap. It's mine. On a suspicion, you're gonna want a position. Only morticians are the one to help your future condition. Cause we whooping on your ass since I'm on a tradition. So now I'll do it even faster in the turbo edition. Watch your back, bitch. I'm gonna make you scream. My dick shoots farther than the arm of Dolphin. Just like the guy.
I'm just playing music that I have in my playlist, man. I'm not. I'm not doing song requests currently.
Dick penis man, can you lose to me in a rap battle? Sure you can. You have proven that you are the best. You ever do get a giant hole in my chest.
Hey, you did it. You're on beat.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah, great job, man.
Thank you so much.
I knew you could do it.
I appreciate it.
Das macht sie Birgit!
My scrotums.
I know.
It was a dark and spooky Halloween night when I, Dracula, thought that I would invite all of my freaky friends who were there in a flash to a big dance party, a monster bash. Wolfman, Frankenstein, and Mummy were there, while Medusa fed some mice to the snakes in her hair. It was a groovy good time for a vampire bat to fly out of his coffin and... Wait, what was that?
We'll see. Probably not, but we'll see.
Actually, we were just dancing.
To help the best romance you can. You have the season to can.
Later that night, we went back to my castle where we could dance in peace and also never get hassled. We had fun playing Twister on my queen-size bed. The party was smaller cause Wolfman was dead. At midnight I heard the Grim Reaper say, I brought Guitar Hero, so who wants to play? It was Swampman on vocals, Nosferatu on bass. Boy, you should have seen the silly funny look on his... Oh god, no!
Never feel something balancing. Christ is the first in my spirit. Do horrible ways. I wrote your brain.
You knocked over the chip.
For the love of God, Simon, what the fuck is your deal?
You don't invite me to your parties. Do you know how that feels?
Are you freaking serious? You killed all my cats just because you felt left out? No.
Yes.
Well, monsters like me can still be your friend. Just stop bringing our lives to a god-awful end. Now, since we are the only ones left alive, let's play two-man twister. Come on, give it a try.
Alright.
Right foot green.
Sorry. Force of habit. Well, he is dead. Looks like
I have wanted twister. Alright.
Oh shit, let's play Animal Crossing now. Come on everybody, I'll show you how. Now listen real close, I'ma tell you the sitch. Cause my name is Tom Nook and I run this bitch. Congratulations, you bought a new home. Oh, you can't afford it? I can give you a loan. You can get some bugs till the debt's been paid. Cause you're the newest member of my slave trade. That's right,
These are they're custom guy, or they're based off of Blood Angel, the Sanguine and Gaurd. But I've kind of chopped them up and rearranged them a little bit, and then this guy and this guy have wings from the, well, this one, sorry, have wings from the Dark Eldar Banshees, because I like having actual wings on these guys because they're freaking cool. Okay.
What, you don't like my prices? Then go somewhere else. Oh wait, you can't. You're trapped in my town, bitch. So go to that island and catch some beetles and sell them to my alpacas. You're
My
not
alpacas.
special.
Now this dude, baiting out. I took the kits, yeah, and then I pieced them together and
Hey kids, would you like to hear a fun story about Sonic and Tails?
have made them what they are now.
Great, here we go! Sonic the Hedgehog, hero to all. When the world needed saving, who would answer the call? His little friend Tails
So,
was part of the team, but he was
you could say I made them, yes.
self-esteem. So when they gathered over chaos and rules, Tails told the man put him under his genitals.
They
He
were
told them all
have been years in the making. I actually put them together a couple years ago, but they didn't make it to trip home. And I finally decided I was gonna go back to touching up these guys and putting them back together and getting them looking good again.
Hey Tails, we've got fun times in store. What's the first thing you'd like to do today? Hi, you're funny. We'll have a great time. There are lakes to swim in and mountains too. So Sonic and Blaze played a game of lacrosse while Tails slammed a bunch of sluts like a boss. He was about to bust nuts all up in a hoe when Robotnik showed up.
Oh, hell no.
Tails knew he must defend the whole city, so he stopped doing blow off the hooker stank titties. Sonic said, Robotnik, you gosh darn clown, I'm gonna jump on you until you fall down.
Hey, stand the fuck back! I got a better solution. It's time for old school street justice, death execution. Rebel bitch, here's some motherfucking cats for your head. Blah blah. Now that egg-shaped cocksucker's dead. Until the box, do I have to fucking say it again? I am exploding with evil that you cannot comprehend. I just committed a murder, but there is no time to rest. Let's get our friends over, have a giant forest farm fest.
Sonic was too traumatized to reply. It was the first time he'd ever seen another man die. But it wasn't the last. Tails made sure of that when he broke Big Spine and wore his S as a hat. Tails the fox, his mind is blown. He'll kick you right in his special zone. I think I'm gonna call the cops
Sorry,
on him,
guys.
but he will never know about it.
Oh fuck!
That's too high.
Depths of space, and she could easily combine your stupid ass with your face. Her name was Samus Aran, and she would destroy Metroids. When she wasn't totally pissed, she was extremely annoyed. She stood up to every challenge, no matter however demanding, and her courage was amazing, and her boobies were outstanding. Nothing. I was just saying that you're brave. Okay. Hey, look over there. It's Kraid.
Converted to feces. Your beautiful hair and your well-toned thighs, your lovely lips. You're not a guy.
Is that a problem, you fuck?
No, prepare to die.
Kraid was hesitating when Samus was set to fight. She got into a battle stance that made her butt super tight. And Kraid said,
No, wait, I think there has been a gigantic mistake. I actually just wanted to give you some desserts that I made.
what Samus said.
What pisses me off most in this world
So I
is
gotta
when
take
enemies get nice when they all find
that
out I'm a
off.
girl. So do me a favor
Hopefully
and
that's
take your
not
kicks and
completely
your
dried
power.
yet.
Shove them so far up your ass that they end up behind your eyes.
Thank you, Bumpy. And yes, Martha, these are this is the Game Grumps, or well, Ego Raptor, and then Ninja Sex Party, which is Danny and Ninja Brian from. Well, Danny's also from Game Grumps, but. Here's a basket of puppies. Oops, killed the puppies.
Whoops. Kill the puppies.
I don't know how I'm gonna paint him yet though, Bumpy. It's the only problem I have right now is trying to figure out what I want to do for painting.
Kirby's in Dreamland, gonna eat all your shit, including you. Go Dreamland's where it's motherfucking assy and DDD food, 'cause he's motherfucking back. There's a little pink bastard who's eating even faster. His name is Kirby, bitch, and he's the motherfucking master. Each big thing spits him out with great force, so that got me thinking about my dick, of course. You know he's DTF, this ain't Super Smash Brothers. Kirby's banned from tournaments for fucking all your mothers.
Ninja sex party at Kirby. Ego Raptor getting dirty. It got 6 inches. We got 30.
Each motherfucker.
It's time to turn down all the lights. Make sure the mood is right. 'Cause we are slamming Kirby tonight.
Yeah, that's right, I'm fucking Kirby in the back of my car. He's transporting on my dick like it's a motherfucking warp star.
Okay.
See his tongue, but you better know it's there, 'cause once he's got it sprung, you gotta look it up on Foursquare. 3 big
Guys, I think I'm done for tonight. What time is it? It is 1:36. Yeah, I think it's about time for me to call it for the night. Sorry, I was drinking some of my drink.
Excuse me, did somebody say Meta Knight? No! Fuck off!
Yeah, it's late. I gotta work tomorrow morning. No, I might not be doing another crafting stream tomorrow. I might, but I don't know for sure yet. I know I want to do some kind of stream tomorrow, whether it's games or this or Gunpla or something. But yeah, it's I like this.
Today's subject is games with simple plots. I'd like to welcome our guests.
I might also do some sketching stuff, or like when I go to flesh out some of my D&D characters, because I gotta start designing some of those guys.
Hi, I'm Cloud Strife from Final Fantasy VII.
Yeah,
My game's plot is
there's at least
it goes like this.
4. Yeah, at least 4 that I have to do. No, 3. Yeah, 3 that I have to do. I also need to work on away screens. That's like for like right here. So when I'm away, it says like, "Be right back. I'm blowing a goat." No, I'm kidding. I wouldn't say that, but yeah, my away screens, intro screens, outro screens. So that way it's not just "Hey guys, thanks for coming out. Give me a follow." Done. But yeah, I might start working on one of those here soon. I also kind of want to start doing like podcast kind of things, but I gotta get the people in it that I want to get in it. So anyway, this was fun. I enjoyed myself. Hopefully you guys did as well. If you did, please throw me a follow. I still gotta fix this backpack. I'll fix it later. Yes, if you enjoyed yourself, please throw me a follow. Should be somewhere down there. I think it's like right down there. Right down there. If you enjoyed the music as well that we started with, beginning of the night, it was a group called Xanther, which is a couple guys, primarily twitch.tv/Frankly Zappa and twitch.tv/ I don't remember the other guy. His brother as well. Those guys are awesome, fantastic. They don't stream often. I'm gonna see if I can get them to start streaming, but yeah. Anyway, thanks for coming out, guys. Again, if you enjoyed it, please give me a follow. I'm gonna try to start doing this stuff more often, and
Sorry to interrupt this amazing
I'm signing off.
but we're out of time for this album. What, really?
Bye, guys.